and see what we're looking at. This looks to be the big rear mat. Here we are. Now these are all weather rubber mats. This is going to be for the front tray in the front. Here's another mat. It's actually going to be underneath in the front. Here you can see, and what I love about these mats is, listen, first of all, they're not too heavy, but goddamn they are durable. They feel strong. All these laser precision cutouts. I'm going to show you once I'm in the car how it's all grooved out around the seat and frames like that. Here is the front mat. Again, laser cut and laser fit, grooved up to trap all the dirt on the inside. Here is the driver's side mat, complete with the footrest logo. Oh yeah, I've been waiting on this. And then of course we have the letter, user manual, warranty policies. Let's get them in the car. So I want to show you real quick, on the back of these mats, there are these nubs. All these nubs, all the way down, are what's going to keep the mat in place in the car. So, one thing you got to remember, because of shipping, they've been folded up a little bit. You're going to give them a day or two to relax and to fit into place, but look how precision cut that is around the cutout. It is perfectly cut in there, so it will sit nice and easy and look very, very good. Again, what's good about the Lasfit mats is just watch how they're going to slide right into these grooves, into the cuts. It's, look at that, already in place, ready to go. Just already in place and ready to go. Absolutely beautiful. As you can see, no fuss, no muss. Cuts are right in, perfectly laid down. Heck, this won't even need to relax. It's already there. Right in there, already ready to go. Right, you can see the cut right there is perfect. All of this sitting right in there, and look how tight this is along this groove here. Another thing I like about it, it'll trap all that dirt into the mat, and because of those deeper grooves, it'll be so much easier to clean. All right, so let's drop this one in the front. As we can see, there's no mat in there now. But even this is contoured with a shape. And it just sits right in there. It's a perfect shape. So now one of the biggest problems most people have is with the rear cargo. So you guys know this is under the hatch floor. This should fit right on in there. And look at that. Just sits right down. It's going to protect everything. Look at that, all ready to go. This is the cargo mat. This one is really, really important. And again, as you can see, has all the protective nubs underneath to keep it locked in place. That's huge because you don't want this stuff sliding around on there. So, there we go. Now, this rear one might need to lay down a little bit and relax. But you know what? She's in. She's in. Again, precision cut. So you can grab this, lift up underneath, get into that bottom hatch. It's going to come right on that lip right there like that. See how it protects along the sides, right up against the back seats. So again, I want to thank Lasfit for the opportunity to do a review on their latest mats for the 2022, 23, 24 Tesla Model Y. The, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-piece mat set. The frunk, the trunk, sorry, 6-piece underneath the bottom floorboard. Second row mat, fully covered front row mats. Yeah, they make an awesome product. Make sure you check them out.